Good morning, students. That day we were discussing about your fifth lesson, land resources and agriculture. In that we have finished some part about the land resources. Also, we have discussed about the land uses of land. We have discussed. Then what are the factors that matters? We have discussed about the forests, land put to non-agriculture uses, barren lands. We have discussed. We have discussed about different types of crops, cultivable land, current fallows and fallow lands, net zone area. These topic we have discussed. Okay, and today that did we have discussed about the size of the economy also, but let us revise it. We all know that land is a fixed asset and its uses is influenced by nature of economic activities carried out in a region. We all know many economic activities, especially our primary activities, that is directly depending on the agriculture, because in primary activities, the activities that are done directly by the land uses. So in the primary activities, the economy based on the primary activities directly depending on the land uses, but the activities may change over time. Okay, like if we discussed about the pattern, then the first one was the size of the economy. Yes, we all know that due to the increase in population, changes in the income level, and after the development of the technology, okay, what happens? It leads to the increase on the pressure on lands and thereby bringing the marginal land use under use. We all know that the increase in population, land resources is continuously declining. Though we are trying to making the barren lands and the wastelands, maybe it may be a cultivable land, but still the fertility, or I can say the agricultural land, that is continuously decreasing. See, the main cause is that Indian economy is directly depend on the Indian agriculture is directly depend on the rainfall. Okay, in the part of, as we have discussed about the physical division of India, we all are well aware that in the plain areas, yes, in the plain areas that is formed by the silt carried by the different rivers, that is very fertile. But if we talk about the Rajasthan area, that is included in the desert area and the parts of the peninsular plateau, yes, there what we find that there is that the fertility of the soil is not very high. We use chemical fertilizers, HYV seeds, and different types of many technologies are also applied on it, so that that land can be made cultivable. Yes, but most of the land that we have, that is wasteland. So the farmers and the Indian rainfall is very uncertain. So the what farmers do, they just sell their land, because year and year the passes on, they are getting into the debts. So for paying that debt money, their life is spent. So what do? They just sell their land at a very low cost. And to whom they sell? They build a infrastructure, they build buildings, shopping malls are there, multi complexes there, and they get the profit. But what do the farmer do? He in the point of saving himself from the debt, he just sell the land. So that land is continuously decreasing. Okay, another composition of the economy is that we can see in the present scenario that as the farmer or the people are not interested in the primary activities, they are much more interested in the secondary activities or in the tertiary activities. So we can see the development in the secondary activity and in the tertiary activity, it is the development level of development is very high, has been developed very the level is very speed up, but there is decline in the primary activities. Okay, so what happened? There is a shift of land from agriculture use to non-agriculture use. People are more interested because they what do the people think? They are, at least if they are working in a factory or in any, or doing any work in the production unit, they are, at least they are getting a wages. Monthly wages is fixed for them, कि that money they will be earning regularly. But what a farmer face? If there is a good crop, if there is a better climate, weather condition is favorable for him, then only it has a good crops. But if the conditions changes, that crop, it just vanished up. Okay, at the present time also you can see there is a rainfall in Haryana, and the crop that is going to be harvested kept in the agriculture field, that is spoiled. And even the grains in the godowns and all that, due to this rainfall, that is not in a good condition. So the farmer is every time facing problem. So what does he do? He just sell the land and engaged in primary in the secondary and tertiary activities, so that their life is secured. Okay. Another factor that we can see is there is continuous pressure increased on agriculture activities, or I can say on the agriculture land. Though the contribution of the agriculture activities reduced over time, the pressure on agriculture land does not decline. As the share of population dependent on agriculture decline very slowly, the number of people to be fed is increasing day by day. We all are knowing, due to the increase in the population, there is continuously increase in the pressure on the available land to get that much production, so that we can feed the growing population. Yes, and this is the biggest cause. Due to this, there is continuously change in the land uses over years and years. Yes, we all know that among these factors, the land uses changes. Okay, so due to our economic condition, due to farmers condition, agriculture condition, weather condition, everything, we can see that there is continuously change in this resources, that is land resource. The government has fixed up the forest areas, that this areas must be covered with the forest. But we can say there is a change in the barren lands and in the non-agricultural land and in the cultivable land areas. We can see there is the land are left for the fallow lands also, but that this portion also we can see very less, because we are continuously using chemical fertilizers to make the production, to make the profit. We are not thinking about the health, but just only about the profit. We can say the farmer or other peoples are continuously degrading the land resources. Okay, so we must take care of it. See, one thing about the course I want to discuss, that as we have done 8 lessons in our course, and the 9th lesson is going on, sir has asked to slow down. So this video will be about 10 minutes. Okay, and you all are knowing, as your exams are there, you have to prepare 4 lessons. I have included in that. I will be giving the syllabus today in the in your group. Okay, be particular and prepare your lessons for the exams. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me at my personal number. I will definitely tell you. Thank you.